Good day, everyone. My name is Chichi Chilolo. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And for those of you that have subscribed, gracias. Wow. I know you guys have missed me a lot. Today topic, wow. Today advice is for Africans, black people. Black people, now we be our problem. Now we they do ourselves. We go come country where we say then get their law. We go come there, come they create our own law. We go create our own law finish. We not go even abide to that our still law we will create. Country where you know say you did. Now Muslim country. Then get the way then they do their things. Then get the way then they take drink. Then get the way then they take party. But for our own way, now like you go see black, then go drink from morning till night, from night till morning, every day. Then go still they drink all those drink. They no go respect themselves. Then go they break bottle, they fight. They create problem here and there. For the ones, for some Africans where they okay, where no they look for trouble, where they coordinate themselves, where they respect themselves. African why? Blacks why? What is our problem? It's high time we coordinate ourselves. It's high time we respect ourselves. It's high time we be ourselves. Enough of all this. Waiting be say you go come another man country, you then no go drink water drop cough for una. Say wetin happen. Later on I go say they hate black, they hate black. Now we they do wetin they make them hate us. Because we know they respect ourselves. As we say we they coordinate ourselves, we they respect ourselves. All these things no go they happen. That's why you go they watch movie, then they always use black people as devil. You think say them be fool? They know what thing they do. Because some blacks, their hearts are demonic. You know go compose yourself, you go come another man country, create your own law. Still know they still dance to that law when you create. You go they misbehave. Now black you go see them go carry cutlass they fight. You and your brother do business. Money bring out problem. We wanna go settle now. I think say they get African Union. I be they no get African Union. Who wanna go coordinate and respect on self, call on self together, deliberate the matter there, resolve them there. No, una go enter streets, they fight, waiting the citizen no fit do. Una go change the law of the country. If they can't say make una go, they una come they say the country wicked, the country hates blacks. It's high time we stop all this nonsense. Game where you play for school. Your family try, gather money, sell land, bring you come abroad. How many years you think say you go play the game reach? If you come born, how you want take advice you pikin? Game where you don't play for school, where you suppose calm down. As you enter abroad, they advise the young ones. You still can't come abroad, carry on for head, they misbehave, they fight everywhere. Black, waiting be our problem. It's high time we sit down and talk about these things. You don't too much. Una go take una own, they pour sansan for another people Gary. Waiting be all these things black. Are they ask una which level, waiting they play black people. Black people waiting they play. It's high time we stop all this rubbish. If you come another man land to come make money, face that money where you come make. No only black you will see, then go they fight for women because of pussy. We break it everywhere, we jabrata everywhere. You go they fight for streets, we camera full. You and your brother do business of money. You go they fight for streets, we camera full. Una they take una own, they destroy other people. We still won't come abroad to come better their family. Una don't block the opportunity for them to come. Waiting. time we stop all these things. It's really annoying. It dey make me vex. It dey make me bored. You go see old papa, you go dey claim, you know where I be? I be this one, I be that one. For abroad. You think say na only black get gangster? You don't sit down look Chinese gangster. You don't sit down look Indian gangster. You don't sit down look American gangster. You don't sit down watch different country gangster. They know they fight anyhow. They know they do anyhow. If you see them fight, it get reason. You don't witness when Chinese gangster they fight. You go off. They don't get time to come, they cut cutlass, do all these ones. Now weapon, they go down pieces everybody come out. Wetin be our problem? Only we African get gangster. When you don't feel respect yourself. How old will you be when you see they do rubbish things for abroad? No only you go call woman to come satisfy your urge, you go kill that woman. African, wetin be our problem? The other day I hear say Namibia guy kill girl for Malaysia. Girl we in call to come satisfy her urge, cut her head, cut her hand. Nigerian girl. Wetin be our problem, African? Wetin be our problem? What is our problem? It's high time African Union sit down. Make them they ask youths wetin be their problem. See some country una government don't see una finish because as una they behave. Una know they respect una self. Una go say una government know they fight for una. Una don't fight for una self. Una don't respect una self. Una don't coordinate una self. Na every business una do inside una go bring come outside come fight. Una no get African Union to carry the person go make them deliberate the matter there. Why all this fights? Why all this killing? Why killing your brother? Why fighting your brother? Una don't make other countries then don't see us finish. Blacks, what is our problem? We complain that the white people hate us too much. Meanwhile, we are not respecting ourselves. We are not staying on our lane. We are not coordinating ourselves. You will go to another man's country and break their rules and their laws and you expect them to keep quiet. Hell no, they will not. They don't go keep quiet. Make you come they dent their country anyhow. Where their indigenous no fit. It's high time we talk to ourselves. You get one of my friends will be black girl. We get 2 kids. The children they go confirm school for abroad here. You know wetin they saw? They know they join black children and white children inside the same bus. Never. When I asked that my friend, he say the black children they beat white children too much. That's why they split them. Black people get their own bus, white people. Why is it like that? Because we some parents with the day in front of our kids, they fight, they constitute nuisance, domestic violence anyhow. It's high time we stop that. This thing where they say na just color. White and black, we are the same thing. It's just color. But because of so we know they coordinate ourselves, then they see this color as demonic color. Then they see this color as evil, as color we don't dent. You go there for your country, you go there fight with cutlass. You go come another country, you go still come fight with cutlass. It's high time all these brotherhoods thing. You wanna know wetin I dey talk. It's high time una sit down. Anybody we won't belong among una, make una set exam for them. Make una test their brain. Make una test. When I dey school, na intelligent people they dey all those things. You no go fit see dumb students there. Na students with their IQ they confirm. Before they go welcome you sef, you go know wetin you don't pass through. But now for beer parlor, then they welcome them. Then they initiate them for their beer parlor, person wey buy drink full, most you. It's high time you people stop all these things. If una wan coordinate, if una wan welcome person, make una set exam for them, make una test him brain if he's wise, if he can dance to your tones, make dem no dey dent una name up and down. No be only blacks belong one place or the other. White people na dem carry am for head, but una no go see them anyhow, they do anyhow. But because of say the ones wey dem dey recruit now, I no just understand. Dem go recruit grandpapa, yepa, dem go recruit am put. If you dey talk, you know, do you know why am? Do you know respect? Wetin dey play, wetin dey sup? It's high time we talk to ourselves, blacks. You go see where dem go dey maltreat your fellow blacks, you no go fit stand for am. You go say if dem wan kill am, make e kill am. It's high time we stop it. Enough is enough. We are our own problem. Now we be our own problem, blacks. Charity begins at home. Let us reset ourselves now before it's too late. Because if we continue like this, our children wey dey come, we no go fit coordinate them again. They go out of hand. Because the ones wey dey now don dey go out of hand. Make we control them. African Union, I'm calling on you people. Call the youth all over the world, coordinate them, put law. Any black wey misbehave anyhow, any African person wey misbehave anyhow, make them point out, make them carry and go back to him mama house. Make him mama go still give am better training. You no come outside, come dey dent other countries, your country name anyhow. Enough of all these things. No only una dey beat woman anyhow. Country where they know they beat woman, no only una go beat woman anyhow, no only una go they do anyhow. Enough is enough, Africans. Blacks, enough is enough. Make we sit down and talk to ourselves. African Union, I'm calling on you people. It's high time you visit each country all over the world. Coordinate all the whole African youth there. Talk to them. You are allowed to do whatever you want to do. You are an adult, but respect yourself. Don't bring your country out. Don't stain your country name. Or because of money, or because of this or that, or because of pussy. It's high time we stop it. Make them come another country, come they fight, they break bottle for street. Hell no, we should stop it. Enough of that. Make you come another man country, come they sleep with their wives then. Where there is a lot of young girls, even your black young girls full there. Why don't you go for them? Why married men? Why married women? See what's in they happen for Malaysia now. All the whole Malaysian wives them. Indian, Malaysians, in China. Once they don't test black man dick, they know they go back again. Then go stick on that. They divorce their husband and you expect them to be happy. If person collect your wife, how you won't feel? It's high time we stop. Let's talk to ourselves, please. My black brothers, I'm begging. Anything you belong, it's high time you guys coordinate yourself, please. Let's put more love in anything we are doing. Let's show our brothers and sisters love. Let's fight for ourselves. If you see person where they do bad thing, no look say because of saying that my country person. Make you no use in own take points and stand for other people carry. Make una call them to order. Make una tell them say enough. Make them know they do all these things. It's really affecting a lot of innocent blacks. Please, I am begging. No be say I dey tell una say na law. But all these brotherhoods, sisterhoods, if you want accept anybody, make una dey try dey test their brain, their intelligence. Test the way they speak. No be person wey dey do farm for village or palm wine tapa or person wey dey kill bushmeat inside bush. a manage come abroad, una go work on am for una brotherhood. What do you expect the person can offer? The person cannot offer anything, because in life, in mentality, everything na bush. So if he see human, if he treat them like the way they treat animal, it's high time make una receipt, make una set exam for those ones wey no dey intelligent. Teach them well. E dey good make person belong in one place or the other. If you can't belong there, no be say you go come dey misuse am. It's high time we stop killing our brothers in outside country. It's high time we African. It's high time we come together like one. It's high time we stop doing things that is not normal in other people's country. Please, please, I'm on my knees. For me to talk about this, it's too much. It's even affecting me. I no go lie you. If I tell you say no, they affect me, I dey lie you, they affect me also. It's high time we come together, put our heads together. Let's think. It will help us. It will help our children. Okay? Remain blessed in Jesus' name. And Merry Christmas.